Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the fifth grade concept of comparing and ordering decimals. This is standard 5.2b in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 5 of the 2025 release STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a table here. And we've got weights in pounds of 4 different types of chickens. And we need to list them in order from least to greatest. So that's the smallest to the largest. And then we need to find which one would be third. All right, so third on the list. Let's put them in order. Let's draw a place value chart here. It looks like they all go to whole number, at least the ones place. But it looks like they go to the thousands place. So I'm going to draw it like this. That's going to be my decimal. This is going to be my ones place. This is going to be my tenths. We'll have my hundredths. And then at the very end, we will have our thousandths. All right, so let's list our numbers. Ancona, if I'm saying that right. So 6.01, that's 6 1/100ths. Cornish is 8.6, 8 6/10. Leghorn, 5.699, 5 699 thousandths. And then I've got Brees, 6.19, 5, 6 195 thousandths. All right, so let's go ahead and put these in order from smallest to largest. When we do that, we are going to look at the largest digit first, the largest place value, because if that number is smaller than any of the others, then we don't really need to do anything else. And to make our jobs a little bit easier, one thing that we can always do when we are comparing numbers that include decimals is we can make sure that all of the numbers go to the same place. So you see how the 699 on that third row looks a lot bigger than the 6. Well, maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but they don't go to the same place. So we can always add zeros after numbers in decimals, and it doesn't change the value. So, for example, 6 1/100th on this first row is the same as 6 10 thousandths. 10 thousandth is the same as 1/100th. Same with this 6. This 8.6, this is 6 tenths. 6 tenths is the same as 600 thousandths. So 6 tenths equals 600 thousandths. So that's really what we're doing here. We're doing 1/10 equals 10 thousandths. And when we see it like that, we're just adding zeros. But now we can evaluate because they all go to the same spot. So we're looking for our smallest number, and we're looking at the first digits first. And honestly, it's just that 5. So the smallest is 5.699 is going to be first. And we've got our last number right here. If we want to look at that, it's going to go 8.6 because that's the only 8. So really, our only question is going to be the sixes. Now, we've got 6 195 thousandths, and then 6 1/100th, but really that's 10 thousandths. So we're really just looking at these two spots right here. 10 thousandths versus 195 thousandths. If we think of thousandths as the unit, 195 is a lot larger than 10. So we're going to put 6.01 because that's the original number, and then 6.195. If we ordered them, that'd be first, second, third, fourth. We are looking for our third number, and so we are going to have our answer there of D, 6.195 or 6 195 thousandths.